Yo, welcome back, guys. Thank you so much again for tuning in. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Won't be with you guys too long today. Wanted to show a real quick shout out to Clean Kicks. I had these joints here about a year or so ago, bought them. Super hyped when I got them, right? But I think I hooped in them one time, and they turned into take the trash out shoes. Then they turned into cut the grass. Next thing I know, they were in the Haven. They were in the garage, sitting there stuck, beat up. Took them down, and my man worked crazy magic on these joints. In and out. I gave them to him on a Tuesday, picked them back up on a Friday. I was in and out. Thanks again, B at Clean Kicks in Columbus, Ohio, and Grandview. Took care of my joints. Now they came back to life. You know what I'm saying? Guys, always shop local. Always try to find someone that's going to take care of you and build those relationships. We all be got in this industry, okay, guys? That's all I got for today. Have a good one. Clean Kicks.